Here we're doing a small room in our house. We took everything out of this room except for this little table here. Kind of show a little bit of example of how it operates around the walls. It does a pretty good job going around the walls. It does tend to favor certain areas, so it'll duplicate areas. I've seen it duplicate areas up to probably 5 times, but the fact is just doing it without any labor or effort on my part, it doesn't bother me any. So some areas it might only hit a couple times as it's doing a room, other areas it might hit 5 times, but not a bad thing because we have noticed that as it goes over it may miss some dirt, especially if it's a especially dirty area. So if it misses it the first time, that'll catch it the second time. Overall, we're pretty pleased with it so far. You can see how it navigates around the leg on a desk. Does a very thorough job. It's nice because we're finding that it's hitting all kinds of areas that our vacuum can't get to. We have a cartridge style vacuum that has a regular wand, so it goes under fairly low places, but this is still shorter than our vacuum cleaner, so it gets some places that ours doesn't. You see it doesn't have any trouble with vents. Goes right over them.